like American girls? You like American girls?
Yeah.
Oh my God! Mama love American girls. Now I am at the place. You can write your girlfriend name. Look at this. This is a name. If you want to write your girlfriend name on your body, you can visit this Mama. Mama, what is your name? Mama's name is Abdul Sattar. Look at her get up. She wearing a lungi and wearing a red t-shirt like a bra. Look at the. There are so many things you can find here. Mama, if anyone visit and write her girlfriend name in her hand, what you do after that? Oh, Mama say that if anyone want to write and their girlfriend name, he can visit this place and write your girlfriend name. I don't have any girlfriend, so that's why I doesn't want to write my girlfriend name. So visit Mama and write your girlfriend name. Wanna twist. So hope you are enjoy this vlog. Mama, I'm from United States. You are from Bangladesh? Why you are from Bangladesh? Okay, Mama, thank you. Visit United States one day. Okay. Mama will visit United States one day. He said, do you like American girls? You like American girls? Yeah. Oh my God. Mama love American girls. You doesn't love Bangladeshi girls? Oh no. Mama doesn't love Bangladeshi girls.
Oh my God.
And